Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ritendra, I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Today I am going to talk about psychotherapy and Srimad Bhagavad Gita. How there's all psychotherapy by which we can overcome from the particular psychotherapeutic means psychological disorder, and psychotherapy are mentioned in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. But before I start my lecture, I would like to introduce Srimad Bhagavad Gita. This is Srimad Bhagavad Gita as it is written by Sri Bhaktivedanta Srila Mahaprabhupada from ISKCON temple, and I would have to say this is the best version of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. And Srimad Bhagavad Gita is neither religious book nor spiritual book, but in true sense pure book of the science and humanity. I am trying to propagate a humanity on the basis of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and trying to morally motivate to those people who are actually frustrated and attempted to commit suicide on the basis of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So let's get into psychotherapy and Srimad Bhagavad Gita. The fact of interest for the student of psychology or psychology lies embedded in the dialogues between their two slokas. Shishyate aham sadi mamam tom prapanam, I am your disciple and guide me. In order to understand the particular person disease, the particular person problem, we have to totally surrender. Lord Krishna further stated, Nashtamoho smriti labda tat prasadam Krishna Stitasam gata sandeha karishya vachanam tava. The cloud have cleared, my senses are back. So psychotherapy is all about how to recover our senses which are lost. How to get back our senses. It's about neuropsychology, neuropsychological disorder like a schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, like anxiety. So these all are neuropsychological disorder. We have to understand on the basis of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. There are many slokas which are mentioned. The scientific questions can be, do we have any lessons from this, and can we develop the model of therapy from these lessons, relevance of this model, and these all are things which are mentioned in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. The questions raised in our mind, whether what kind of the lessons we will get from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Counseling or psychotherapy is an essential and integral component of psychiatric intervention in the management of the patients with a psychological distress or disorder. The psychotherapeutic models available are developed and imported from the Western literature. The applicability and usefulness of this model in the Indian context was discussed with some skepticism, keeping in the mind and varying the cultural, religious, spiritual, societal attitudes, and broadly described as a external or oriented culture by the psychiatrists in the past. External cultural of the psychiatrists in the past, the Guru Chela Parampara, the teacher and student Parampara, Guru Shishya Parampara, as a model in the psychotherapy. The Guru Shishya Parampara is a model of the psychotherapy and popularized by the Dr. Neki. Get widely debated in the Indian context. Eminent Indian psychiatrists and psychologists discussed and proposed the Bhagavad Gita as a source of the model of the development of the psychotherapeutic concept and suitable in the Indian context of the 21st century. India can be better of the speculation and debate. In the very first word in Bhagavad Gita, the Dharma, the last word of the Mama Dharma, my duties, my responsibility, my rights, and ethics, moral attitude, actions, activities, so on. Mama Dharma, my rights, my duty, my action, my ethics, my moral, my value, my attitude, my activities. These all are mentioned as in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, that is called Mama Dharma. The first chapter, Arjuna Visad Yoga, the narrate expression of the Arjuna's sorrow, anxiety, fear, and guilty leading of the state in actions after seeing his kith and kins, gurus and cousins, uncles, nephew, friends, and lined up in the enemy camp in the battle fight of the Mahabharata to win the kingdom, means killing all these people whom Arjuna respected and loved. The scenes commissions from any angle and overwhelmed by the acute state of the sadness and guilty. The Arjuna drops his weapons and turns to Lord Krishna and his charioteer. Lord Krishna was his charioteer, driver of Arjuna's chariot, and helped the guidance. शिष्य अहम सधि मम त्वं प्रपन्नाम, I am your disciple and guide me. I am your disciple and guide me. The therapy, the therapeutic background. Arjuna is a patient and Lord Krishna is a therapist. Arjuna is the patient here. In this situation, Arjuna is a patient and Krishna is the therapist. Single session therapy. This is single session therapy. No specified time limit, 45 to 16 minutes. Counselor is a relative of the patient. Therapist stays in the patient through all the crises. Patient has immense belief in the therapist and consider him as a friend, philosopher, guide, guru shishya relationship. And single, if you don't surrender unto your therapist, then your therapist will never help you to come out from the particular disease, particular psychological order. Single case report level 5. Evidence in the current day's terminology, blind application of the approach may run the risk of overgeneralizations, are commonly found in over-enthusiastic error in the psychology to obvious in the history of the psychoanalysis. The diagnosis, this attempt to make a retrospective diagnosis based on the current day and diagnostic criteria may sound ludicrous, but the limitations are the notified. We can only make a diagnosis for acute transition situation adjustment disorder with the symptoms of anxiety. The predominant guilt core symptoms sin may hands with the blood of the gurus and cousin. The available information does not satisfy criteria of the psychosis, bipolar disorder, MDD or anxiety disorder. No past history. Psychological decompensation in spite of the major psychological stress. The setting is the battlefield, and the urgency is the issue of the demand of the crisis intervention. Personality of Arjuna, Pandava's prince, no significant neurotic traits and maladjustments or faulty coping pattern. A great warrior and veteran, many battles. In the past fought against the same army and won the battle, but now in this particular battle of Mahabharata, Arjuna got anxiety, Arjuna got severe pain. Why I am here? Why I am in this situation? Why this has happened with me? Arjuna thought like that, and therapist Lord Krishna guided him. A long time friend, relative, well-wisher of the patients, highly respected in the community, supposed with the supernatural power. Lord Krishna here, Supreme Personality of Godhead, stated, Hatva praptasya swargam jitva pokshashyami mahima tasmad uttishta kaunteya yuddham kuru nischaya. Hatva praptasya swargam jitva pokshashyami mahima tasmad uttishta kaunteya yuddham kuru nischaya. Means if you die in this particular battle, then you will get a heavenly planet of Indra. And if you conquer this battlefield or battle, then you will have a heavenly planet, heavenly kingdom of Kauravas. So therefore you have to fight, and you have to get up and fight this particular warfare, because it's your prescribed duty. Lord Krishna further stated, Niyatam kuru karma tvam karma jaya hi akarmana sarira yatrapi chate na parisadyate na to akarmana. You have to perform your prescribed duty. Means working is better than not working, and no one can maintain his physical body without performing his duty. So in order to maintain your physical body, you have to perform your prescribed duty. Means you have to perform only and only your prescribed duty rather than perform others' prescribed duty. Even if you can perform other prescribed duty better, but you have to perform. However, you will get a distraction, but you only have a right to perform your prescribed duty. Only your duties. Lord Krishna further stated, Siddhanti mama gratanti mukham cham parishusyatam व्यपास्तुत च शरीरम में रोम हर्ष से जायते. मेरे रोमटे खड़े हो गए, मेरा मुख सूख रहा है. The weakness of the limbs, मेरे हाथ से गांडी छूट रहा है. The dryness of the mouth, shivering of the body and goose skin. And गांडीवा संस्रस्ते हस्तते त्वकचित प्रदिहते नाचा शकोनमी अवस्थम ब्रह्मति वाचा में मनः. Miss Gandiva slipped from my hand, burning of the skins and unable to stand, and dizziness and confusion of the mind. So this is the negative feeling of depression. Depression, the negative thought. Na kankasate vigyam Krishna na rajyam sukhani cha kim na rajyane govinda kimam bhogar nati na vaha. Not means don't desire for the victory and neither kingdom nor pleasure. Why kingdom? Why luxurious things? Why the war, etc. The guilt. Aho batam mahat papam kaurav kartuham vyavastah vayum yadari skoka belam antum swaja mudhyate. Preparing for the sinful act, killing our own kins. Why would I have to kill my own people? Otherwise, I will indulge in the sinful activities. Lord Krishna further stated, Sukh dukhe samay kritva labha labho jaya jayo tato yodha yujasva nevam papam mamapsasi. Sukh dukhe samay kritva labha labho jaya jayo tato yodha yujasva nevam papam mamapsasi. Sukh dukhe, if you are able to make yourself equiposed in whether there is a happiness or distress, sukh dukhe samay kritva labha labho jaya, whether there is a benefit or there is a loss or gain, then you will never incur the sinful activities. However, you will kill or you will be killed by someone, you will never be part of the sinful activities. The Arjuna here wished about death. Yadi ma प्रत्यक करुम अस्त्रम शस्त्र पायनम द्रष्टात्र न तत्राष्टाराने हस्तनामु कलेशनम अरम. Here, even if I get killed in the war by enemy, it will be a good for me. Here Arjuna totally surrendered. Miss Madhav, please tell me what would be better for me, what would be good for me, whether I have to kill them or I will have to be killed by these people, by my enemies. Which one is good for me? Here Arjuna asked to Lord Krishna. So therapeutic process here started by Lord Krishna. Cognitive and rational emotional approach, cognitive and rational emotive approach. Discuss on the natural inevitable of the birth and death, life cycle, immortality of the soul, performance of your own dharma, and otherwise running the risk of the same and public defame. The goal of the therapy is removal of the guilt and remotivate for the action. Ahochanam anvas sosatam pragya vadam cha bhasase gastam agachya samuche anusosati panditah. You worries about event. You are not supposed to speak like a learned person, but wise people don't worry about the perishable or immortal things. Perishables or immortal things. वसामी जीर्णा यथा विहाय नवानि करन्ति नरोपराणि तथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्णाय अन्यानि समेति नवानि देहि. As we remove the cloth or useless cloth and wear new clothes, and similarly our atma, our soul will get into the new body and giving up the useless body. So nenam chetanti sasrani nena dahati pavaka na chain ankle dantyapo na sosati maruta. Atma can never be torn by the arrows and burnt by fire and washed by the floods and lifted by the winds. Chatrasya he dhruvacha mrityucha dhruvacha janmacha mrityuscha tasmad apiharasya rahate natu tvam sosati arsi. Everything's born must die. The person who has taken birth will sure to die, and person who die will sure to take a birth again. It's a cycle of the birth and death. So you should not have to worry about this particular thing. Atha chveta memam dharmasya sangramamam na karishyati tatha swadharma kirti cha hitva papamasyasi. Your dharma is to participate in the war. If you not lose your dharma, the fame and commit a sin. Sambhavista chakirti hi mama dhirti uchyate. For a noble man, the disgrace is worse than the death. Hatva praptasya swargam jitva bhoksasyami mahima tasmad uttishta kaunteya yudham kuru nishchay. If you die, you will go to the heaven and winning to get you the kingdom. So get up and decide to fight. the action and renunciation. The one concept of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, this is action and renunciation. The karma, niskam karma, karmani avadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma phal hetu rebu ma te sango swakarmani. कर्मणि अधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचना मा कर्म फल हेतुर्भु माते संगो स्वकर्मणि. Here Krishna stated, you have a right to perform your prescribed duty. You have right only on action, not on the fruit of your work, and never own responsibility to result, and must never lose the interest in the work. The humanistic approach should emphasize on the power and capability of individual self and how the person alone will be responsible for his action, growth and otherwise. You are your choice, you are your destiny. You are your choice and you are only your destiny. You are only responsible for whatever has happened with you. Nobody is responsible. Self-empowerment, no inferiority yourself. You can be your friend, your own enemy. If you conquer your mind, then your mind will become your friend. And if you don't conquer, if you have been conquered by your mind, then your mind will definitely become your greatest enemy. So, it's upon to you whether you have conquered your mind or not. Lord Krishna here explained many things about the trust and bhakti. That remains the single most important element in the therapeutic relationship, and not just the psychology but the medical practices. Here Lord Krishna stated, Yogastha kuru karmani sangam tyakta dhananjaya siddhi asiddhyo samabhutva samatam yoga uchyate. Here Lord Krishna explained about the definition of yoga, the equanimity of mind. You have to perform your prescribed duty in whatever circumstances or how much adverse circumstances situation would be there. You only have a right to perform your prescribed duty. Yogastha kuru karmani sangam tyakta dhananjaya siddhi asiddhyo samabhutva samatam yoga uchyate. Yogastha kuru karmani, your karma is considered as yoga. Yogastha kuru karmani sangam tyakta dhananjaya means you perform your prescribed duty equipoise in all the condition. Whether there is a success or the failure, whether there is a happiness or distress, the equanimity of mind to perform your prescribed duty equipoise in all the condition. That is only called equanimity of mind, is called only yoga. So this is mentioned in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Leave everything and trust upon me. I will rescue you and all the problems. Here Guru Shishya Parampara is mentioned, and therapeutic component, satisfactory permoid personality of the patients with the adequate coping the skill. Therapist is a trusted friend, philosopher, guide, and the cognitive and rational emotive approach, cognitive distortion and misinterpretation, Sankhya Yoga. Emphasize on the work with the renunciation, that is Karma Yoga, smart action without performance anxiety, smart action without performance anxiety. Behavior therapy, flooding means prolong the continuous exposure of the anxiety and provoking situation as the therapy was in the battlefield of itself. And inside the oriented Gyan Yoga, Vishwarupa means hypnosis, Vishwarupam Sandarshana Yoga, the trust Bhakti Yoga. What mattered is not so much the content of the personal belief religion, but whether or not they lead to the personal transformations of the positive kind. This is stated by William Jones. So this is all about Srimad Bhagavad Gita and psychotherapy. Neuropsychological therapies are mentioned in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Lord Krishna here stated, Sarva dharman parityajante mame ekam saranam vajraha aham tam sarva papebhyo mokshasyami ma sulaha. Means abandon your all religious practices and just surrender unto me. I said deliver you salvation and make you free from your all kind of sinful activities. So you don't have to fear. You have to remove the fear from your heart and mind and just surrender unto me. Parth, So we all have to surrender unto Lord Krishna. We all have to remove our fear. We all have to make ourselves free from the material desire. Only our desire and expectation, by which we can associate with this neuropsychological disorder. We can get captured by neuropsychological disorder or psychological disorder. And Lord Krishna means here Arjuna stated after listening entire Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Here Arjuna stated Nashtamoho smriti labdha तत्प्रसादम कृष्णा स्थित संगत संदेह करिष्य वचनम तवा. I become your disciple and my entire delusions has gone. Now I become free from all the kind of the attachment. Now I become your disciple. Now I got enlightenment and now I become your disciple and I will follow your instruction. Madhav Madhusudan Kesava. Karishya vachanam tava, karishya vachanam tava. This is stated by Arjuna. Here in the last verse, Sanjay stated, Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Yatra Partha Dhanurdhara, Tatra Sri Vijayo Bhuti, Dhruva Nitir Matir Mama, Dhruva Nitir Matir Mama. It's my opinion, wherever there is a Lord Krishna, the master of all the mystics, when there is the supreme archer Arjuna, at that time the affluence, the victory, extraordinary power, moral values, character, everything would be there. Whenever Srimad Bhagavad Gita has been read by the people, and the people would read Srimad Bhagavad Gita and listen the conversation between Arjuna and the master of all the mystic Lord Krishna, there is a extraordinary power, supreme affluence, the victory. Wherever he go, he will get a victory. He will get a supreme affluence. धन की कभी उसको कमी नहीं होगी. He will get everything, moral values, character, everything he will get. This is my opinion. This is opinion of Sanjay after listening of entire Srimad Bhagavad Gita. This is a guarantee of Sanjay. Whoever reads Srimad Bhagavad Gita, he will get overcome from all kind of problem, material problem of his life. He can get over from all kind of sinful activities, whatever he has performed in his past. So we all have to read Srimad Bhagavad Gita in order to abstain ourselves from the psychological disorder or neuropsychological disorder. I hope you all can understand. If you are having any questions, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Radhe Radhe.